So now today what we're going to be making is a very simple pop-up heart card. Today is our stream day at school, so I wanted to incorporate some engineering. So the first thing you want to do is take two different pieces of paper. Both of these are cut to a 6x9. Okay. Fold them both in half and then decide which one you want to have for the outside of your card. Next step, I'm going to take my template, and it was very easy to make. You just fold your paper in half, mark where the halfway mark is, because you don't want whatever you're folding to go beyond the edge. And so I drew my heart. This edge is folded, this edge is folded. It's really important, just like when you're cutting out and creating snowflakes, that you don't cut completely through. So this is my cut line there and there, and these are fold lines. So you can either trace it, or what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it. Okay? And a tip when you're cutting, you want to cut close to the intersection there. It gives you a little more control, and it also gives you less chance of snipping too far. So I've now cut, and I'm going to take this and fold. Now fold back that way. Open it up carefully. You're going to push the inside heart up and fold the other part backwards. Now the next step would be to decorate. And you want to decorate the outside of this before you glue in. So when you are finished, you simply line up your lining paper here, okay, and then you put the glue. And now when you do the glue, you don't want a lot of glue. A little goes a really long way when doing paper. Okay. And then you fold over and flip and open it up, and then you put your glue on the other side here. Be careful, if you accidentally get glue inside here, just wipe it away with your finger before you close it, because you don't want to have your heart stuck down to the bottom. And now you have your pop-up, okay? So the next step would be, if you've already decorated the outside and glued this in, next step, you can decorate inside. So you can flatten this down and decorate. You could mark around the edge, however you want, but very simple, easy way of doing a pop-up heart. Hope you enjoy.